All right, let's try something. I want you to picture this. It's 2026, and your latest project, it isn't just a jumble of files and tasks anymore. It actually has a mind of its own. Today, we're going to explore the technology that's making this whole idea reality.
So let me just start with a big question. What if every single document, every email, every single decision your team ever made on a project was just there, instantly accessible to an intelligent assistant you could just talk to?
Yeah, just think about that. No more digging through ancient folders or trying to piece together a conversation from 6 months ago. Instead, you've got a partner that holds the entire context of your work, ready to help you out at a moment's notice. And you know what? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality of where work is headed.
Okay, so what is this all about? The technology making this future a reality is called Claude Projects, and it's really the engine behind a massive shift in how we even think about productivity.
So at its core, Claude Projects combines two really powerful ideas. You've got a central, all-knowing knowledge base, and then you have a proactive assistant that uses that knowledge. The whole thing is designed to be way less of a tool and way more of a true digital partner.
Everything really starts with creating a perfect memory for your project. And what that means is building a single source of truth, a powerful and really intelligent knowledge base. And you know, building this memory is actually surprisingly simple. You just start by consolidating everything, all your documents, your data, your communications. Then you upload all of it to create the knowledge base. From that second on, you can ask it anything in plain English and get an instant context-aware answer.
This just completely eliminates the friction of finding information. I mean, think about all the time we waste searching for that one key detail. With a system like this, that friction just disappears. The answer is always just one question away.
But look, a perfect memory is only half the story. The real power, the real magic, comes when the AI uses that memory to become a proactive assistant. It anticipates your needs through something called ongoing tasks.
This represents a really fundamental shift. You know, traditional project management tools are totally reactive. You do all the work of tracking and connecting the dots and searching for context. With ongoing tasks, the AI becomes proactive. It works alongside you to connect those dots.
So in practice, what does that actually look like? Well, it means your AI co-pilot can draft a daily progress summary for you. It can scan conversations to flag potential roadblocks before they become a crisis. It can even draft your follow-up emails, all because it understands the full context of the project.
Now, this isn't just some cool feature, it's really a window into a much bigger trend. And to truly grasp why this is so important, we need to talk about the long context revolution.
The ability for an AI to understand and reason over just vast amounts of information, that's what we call long context, is quickly becoming a critical professional skill. It's the new frontier, and it's changing what's even possible at work.
We've already seen AI's impact on stuff like data analysis and simple automation, for sure. But the next big wave is long context reasoning. This ability to synthesize information across an entire project's lifecycle. And that's where we're seeing just explosive growth.
And this is the really crucial point. This marks a fundamental change in our relationship with our tools. For decades, software has just stored our data. Now, for the first time, our tools can actually understand that data and help us use it proactively.
So this leaves us with a pretty fascinating question. When your project has its own memory, its own mind, what new possibilities open up? What could you build when you're not just managing a project, but you're truly collaborating with it?